this video, we will see the construction and working of a simple machine which is called as simple axle and wheel along with its velocity ratio formula. Now, here the diagram which I have in front of me, this is of a simple axle and wheel. What is simple axle? Axle is a rotating shaft. As we can see here in the diagram it is mentioned that this member which is having diameter small d, it is called as the axle. Axle will be rotating. On the axle we are having a load which is mounted. It means this load will be wrapped up. Here we are having a rope, or we can say string, which is being wrapped up on this axle. After the axle we are having one wheel which is called as the effort wheel. Over the effort wheel again we would be having the rope or string to which some effort is applied. Next we have a shaft which is supported in bearings. Bearings are those members which support the shaft. Shaft is a rotating member, bearing will be supporting the shaft. So at both the ends we are having bearing. Next, small d is the diameter of the axle. Axle is also called as the load drum. The other name of axle is load drum because load will be wrapped up onto the axle or it will be wrapped off from the axle. Here small d is the diameter of load drum or axle. Capital D is the diameter of effort wheel. Now, how this was regarding the construction part, how this simple axle and wheel functions. First of all, at effort wheel, we are applying the input. It means we will be applying the force at the effort wheel. This effort can be in any form. Either we can pull this rope, so that is also an example of effort. Next, our aim is to lift this load by applying the effort here. So this load value, the load which is attached to the load drum, this value would be high. Means this huge amount of load will be lifted by very small amount of effort. That is why we will call it as a simple machine. So here the functioning is effort will be applied with the hand, or we can say simply we will attach a small weight here. With this effort wheel will be rolling, and once the effort wheel rolls, it is connected to the load drum. The load drum would be rolling, and this string, it would be wound around the load drum, and when the string it starts winding around the load drum, this load would be lifted up. So by applying very small effort we are lifting huge amount of load. So this machine is a simple machine, and the velocity ratio formula for simple axle and wheel, it is given by capital D upon small d, where capital D is the diameter of effort wheel as we can see in the diagram, and small d is the diameter of load drum or axle. So as we have seen in this video, a very simple machine which is called a simple axle and wheel used to lift heavy loads by applying comparatively less efforts.